Right, Jace, we've got quite a few motorhomes now, haven't we?
I've been thinking. Thinking.
Thought I could smell wood burning, go on.
See all the motorhomes we've got? We've got lots of them, haven't we?
Yeah, got some more on the front. Yeah.
All different types, makes, sizes.
Different prices.
Prices. We're not going to, I don't think we'll talk about prices today.
No.
Back on again?
Yeah.
Don't think we'll talk about prices. Let's go over the different types of vans that there are out there.
Yeah.
But we won't bore you with loads of them, we'll just narrow it down to a few.
We'll start with campervans and work our way up to motorhomes, yeah?
Why don't we do our favourite ones?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, something versatile, you can use for a car, you basically use for everyday use, like bomb-proof, aren't they?
Yeah.
Lovely little vans, I like them, the Rome.
Yep.
So we have the Rome. Different guises, this one's an Outlook, you've got duos, you've got high-lows.
This is the high top, they do them with a pop top, don't they?
These all different types,
yeah.
But you can use this van for every day. Quick look inside.
I've locked the door.
You're not very good at these planning meetings, are you, Kev?
The keys are in the ignition.
That's sake. No wonder we never get any views.
Is that what it is?
That's what it says, Kev. So quick look inside.
We've got a few subscribers, haven't we?
I just think they feel sorry for us, that's
yeah.
what it is. We need some subscribers, please,
yeah.
please like and please subscribe.
Yeah.
So, dead simple. Not going to go too much into it. We've got the bench seats, we've got some storage above. You're going to get a couple burner hob, you're going to get a grill, you're going to get a fridge.
You can sleep in it,
water.
you can cook in it,
yeah.
You can do your washing up in it, and you can keep stuff cold in the fridge.
Yeah, this will also make up into a double bed as well. So, and this is perfectly easy for both of us, for one of us to sleep on as well. So, great little camper vans to start off with. You can buy them.
Does the same as the bigger ones, except it hasn't got a shower and a toilet.
No, perfect. Get rid of your car, off you go, you're done. So, your turn, you go find me a camper van.
Will do. What have you got here?
Ever popular Volkswagen.
Oh, okay, let's have a look at this one then.
VW Transporter, yeah?
Quickly pull that van.
That's a...
Recording, it's recording you. What is the point?
Technology, yeah. You never said you'd press record.
So, Kevin, I take it you've gone... What was that? What's that?
I'm just my acting bit. Look what I brought you.
That's not active. That's been a Wally.
Usain Bolt, that, isn't it? Can't run as fast as him though.
Right, so you've got me a Volkswagen, Kev, with a trailer.
I have.
So why have you gone
Not
for
your
the
everyday
Volkswagen?
Volkswagen though.
Well, I was noticing that. Your typical Volkswagen will have the pop top.
I don't like the pop tops. I prefer them.
Why?
Well, the wife can stand up in these. I can stand up in the pop tops without the pop top up.
Okay, come show me then.
Right. It's different. Yeah. What I like about this one. Yeah.
So you prefer the camper van with the pop top?
Than the little Rome, yeah.
I know we all love a Rome.
I prefer
You're on about you prefer the camper van
with the high top.
With the high top, not the pop top.
If you look in there,
yeah.
What do you see there, Jason?
Chocks.
Yeah. What else? No rock and roll bed.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right. All VWs usually have a rock and roll bed.
Right.
This will make 2 singles.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can show us at the back?
Yeah. This is nice, van.
So what are we getting then? Come on, let's have a demonstration.
What are you getting? Right. You're not getting a porta potty. Right.
I have just noticed here, Kev, we have got Gaslow on this.
Yep.
Fresh water tank.
What have you got in there, Jason? Come on, you've got the camera, come on.
Oh, that's it. It's just...
What have you got there?
We've got a cassette toilet, haven't we?
Cassette toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, this job is easy, just holding the camera.
Little sink.
Yeah.
2 burner hob.
Yeah. Have we got... Oh, what have we got down there? Is that a grill and an oven? It's a grill and an oven, Kev. Look at the pictures at the top.
Grill and oven, yeah.
You can just see the pictures at the top.
Yeah.
Move that around there, grill and an oven.
Yeah. So it's got quite a bit of kit in there. Yeah. Like them.
Just as a quickie though, this is a nice van. I really like this van. But just going back to that roam again, it's just as much room. But I think what you're getting here is you're getting more kit.
Yeah, you're getting more kit. You're getting more storage.
Yeah.
A lot more storage. Got all your overhead storage.
And I can see why the wife would prefer this, because she can stand up.
Little compressor fridge in there.
Yeah.
Nice height as well. Okay. Yeah. Storage down here. You got two 240 volts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, my go. So we've done the Roam, a good starter van, good everyday van that you can use. We then move to progress to the VW. We've got the pop tops, we've also got the high tops. So the high tops giving you obviously the height as well. Not too high, so you can get in most places.
You can't get in where they've got height barriers. That's the only disadvantage of a high top.
We're also keeping a length down to 5 odd meters, aren't we?
Yep.
5.5 meters. So let's move on to something else as a progression
Are we
to the Campervan.
still staying with Campervans, or are we now going into coachbuilt?
I'm going to surprise you, Kev.
Right.
Let's call it clickbaity stuff.
Okay.
Surprise you. What you're going to see now is absolutely amazing, fantastic, brilliant.
Well, you're going to choose it.
Right, come on. What do you think of this campervan, Kev?
Nice.
Do you like this?
Yeah, I like the colour.
Yeah. So you've got your own, you've got your Volkswagen, and now we have to throw in everything you need in a campervan.
Yeah. Yeah, it's your next move up from a VW, isn't it?
So this campervan is giving you everything that you're going to need in a campervan. So the Roam, the Volkswagen, were limited. Come and have a look at this bad boy. This was voted Van of the Year, Kev. So I'll quickly show you inside. We're not going to go delve too deep into it. Straight away, we're getting Gaslow onboard tank. We're getting heating. We're getting hot water. We're getting heating with gas and electric. We're getting a microwave, Kevin. We're getting gas hobs. We're getting electric burner. We're getting a grill. We're getting an oven. We're getting let me come around here. We're getting a proper washroom. We're getting the toilet. We're getting the sink, and then this will pull out for your shower.
But you're getting everything you'll get in a motorhome, really, aren't you?
We're getting a seating area as well. We're getting back. We're getting
a large compressor
proper fridge as well, with a freezer. We're also getting a seating area. You can ask me where the bed is, Kev, aren't you?
Where's the bed, Jason?
I'm glad you asked me that, Kev, because it just pull this out like so. Simple. Look at that.
And you've now got a fixed bed?
Fixed bed.
A lot more storage in this as well.
Everything. We've also got the storage underneath as well, Kev.
Under the bed, yeah.
But we've got the Roam, we've got the Volkswagen, and then we've got the ultimate you've got in your camper van. See if you can beat that, Kev.
Yeah, I think if I downsize, I'd downsize to something like this.
See if you can beat that, Kev.
Right, I'll beat that. Don't put a challenge out.
So which van is he going to show us next? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Where will he pop out? Oh, here we go. So we have the Bessicar 412. So Kevin,
Challenge accepted.
why have you chose this one?
Because
Turn the engine off.
you're moving up now from a camper van to a coach-built motorhome.
Okay.
Which has a lot more. It's the same length as the VW. As the
Alde, same as the
Alde.
Campervan.
Same length as the Alde van conversion.
So we're getting same length.
Same length, but you're now getting a coach built. So basically, it's built onto a truck chassis.
Okay, I'll make my way round the other side and you let me inside. You go that way? No. So as he said, it's a low profile, so obviously there's no sleeping above. Nice looking van, this is really nice. We're getting the awning as well, the wind out awning. We're getting gas lockers. Good looking van this is, Kevin, isn't it?
It's a very, very nice van.
Right, do you want to put some light on?
Hang on, put a step out.
Why put it back in again?
Just because I can. I really can't see.
Right, you hold the camera?
I'll hold the camera.
So, as I explained, oh, there we go. Power on. Power on. Lights.
Camera action.
So we're getting a nice swishy van here. Because it's a motorhome, we're getting a wider interior. We've got 2 bench seats. These will make up into double beds.
Yeah.
We're getting a good seating lounge area. And what we do get as well is we're getting the swivel seats as well.
Yeah.
So just swap over. Because I've done a video on this one. We're getting the microwave, place for the tally. We're getting a 3-way fridge. We're even getting a wardrobe with a freestanding table, lockers as well, and then we are getting a separate shower there, Kev.
A nice separate shower that.
2 seconds.
Put some lights on.
Oh, they don't want work, Kev.
You stopped it, I'll look over you.
I don't know, Kev. Well, anyway, we're getting separate shower.
Separate shower.
And then at
good size
the
washroom.
back, nice kitchen area. We're getting the sink, hobs, grill, oven, storage again, and then we're also getting the heating system. This will be what's this one, Kev? Alde. Alde says heating system works off the gas, works off the electric.
It's like your central heating
hot
system
water.
at home, it's radiators.
Exactly, with the Alde one. So I like that, Kev.
Yeah.
Let's go and find a different type of van
And
to
the
move
beauty
up
of
to.
this as well, being a compact, you can get it into a car park.
Good thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
Move on.
Right, Kev, I'm not messing around anymore.
Now we're on the big
Not
boys.
messing around now. We've
Big-
done 2 bursts, we've done little compacts. We want to go away for a while, Kev. And we might even want to take the your grandkids away. Well, not me go with your you get the drift.
Yeah.
So we're not messing around. We're going to go 6 berth.
Family van.
Family van, let's have a look. One thing we're all getting is we're getting a garage.
Massive garage.
Big garage there, which is quite adaptable as well. Jump in, Kev. So let's look at the front. We're getting a sleeping above.
Large overcab bed.
We're getting a wardrobe. We're getting sitting area. Again, all belted.
6
Dinette. We can make up into a bed. We're also getting the kitchen area as well. Hobs, grill, oven. Big fridge. Look at the size of that, Kev.
Big compressor fridge. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the beer thing.
No, that's solid.
Oh, okay.
No, that's beer. Yeah.
Okay. We're getting bunks at the back. We
Yeah,
can,
I like that.
we can take that bottom bunk out and turn it into a garage.
Adult size bunks.
Good size, aren't they? And then we're also getting separate shower.
Good size shower room, yeah. Yep.
So there you go, a nice good family van for going away.
This could be driven on an ordinary licence, do you know that?
Could, Kev.
Yeah.
Beat that, Kevy.
Beat that. Right.
Okay.
I'll beat that.
Okay. He's useless. He's actually gone for another camper van again, hasn't he? Oi.
Oh, Jason.
Now you've trumped it, haven't you?
Yeah, gone for the creme de la creme.
And what's that you gone for?
An A-class. You
So
know when
what-
you go on a plane and you sit in the, like, with the minions, and then you can go premium. This is your premium.
Okay, premium.
Yeah.
Let's have a look inside it then.
I might let you in. You'll have to wipe your feet first. Welcome to my humble abode.
Nice, this is. If you didn't notice earlier on, we've got the garage at the back as well. So,
Just
where do you start? Where do you start? Let's get some lights on. So, at the back, we've got the single beds.
Yep.
Or this will pull out to make a large
double.
large double. We've got storage all underneath. I'll just quickly show you there. We've got storage all down, and then let's move to the
Ah, now you see, that don't look a big shower, does it?
no.
Press that thing in there.
And there we go.
Now you've got a shower.
Now that's a proper shower, Kev.
Yeah.
So if you want to move back, Kev, we've got a really nice kitchen area there. 3-burner hob. We've got sink. We've got grill. We've got oven. And now we're moving on to
A big fridge freezer.
there you go. Just check that out.
Yeah.
There as well. And then if you want to just go over there, and then moving now. This is what A-classes are famous for. the drop down bed
So your 4-berth, you've got a double bed.
there, and then we've got the swivel seats, we've got a lovely dinette area, and I'm loving the lockers. Really liking the
Loads of
lockers.
storage and nice backlighting as well.
So as Kev says, we have the A-Class. Now these type of vans are designed to going out there and exploring.
They manufacturer just buys a chassis and everything. Yeah. Everything is custom built, the cab and everything. So.
And we're going away for a long time in this cab, aren't we?
Yeah.
A long time. Just a quick note as well. We do have the heating and hot water. It's a Truma combi. We can work it off the gas.
Gas only on this one.
It's gas only on this one. And electric. This has had loads of extras put on, but it's more. This video is more to give you a gist of the different types.
It's got solar. It's got inverters. It's got.
Oh, it's got levelling ramps as well.
Oh yeah, it's got soft levelers.
Yeah. But it's just to give you an idea of the different type of motorhomes, right down from the incy-wincy Reimo, right the way up to the A-Class, of what different types are about, and we've probably not even scratched the surface of all the different types of motorhomes. Well, there you go. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.